I found a viral niche and trend, also 100% monetizable for the TikTok creativity program. Making money on TikTok has never been easier than nowadays. These account I'm going to show, you are receiving a ton of cash from just uploading a 1-minute video. So the main secret that making these account blow on TikTok, it's a unique niche that is trending nowadays. So these account is called Cosmic Eye. These account have 41,900 followers and 3 million likes. You probably saying these account do not even have a big audience. As you know, TikTok is paying $1 for 1,000 views, which means 0.01 for 1 view. Okay, now, so let's assume these account upload 2 videos a day. So let's take the latest videos of these account and let's add them. After that, let's multiply these numbers by 0.001. Okay, last, let's multiply these by 30 days. So these account is generating $5,145 every month. But if you check these account, their videos have more views than we took to calculate also. They can upload more than 2 videos in a day, so I think these account is making massive amounts of money from the TikTok creativity program. So in these video, I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos, step by step, as well as some little tricks to make your videos go viral. Okay, these types of videos come into 2 formats, one as a text slideshow type, and second as a form of Reddit videos. So in these video today, I will show you how to create the slideshow type. Just make sure to stick to the end to not skip important tips. The first thing we need to do is to get ideas on what type of images we will create. So for these, we will use TikTok by itself to get ideas. So after scrolling and searching, we will find that these types of accounts are made based on 3 things: humans and animals and foods. So now we can replicate or we can make our unique way. Now let's jump to prompts. To generate prompts, we have 2 ways. The first one is, let's go ChatGPT and let's ask, I want to write a prompt as a question form to create an image using AI step by step from easy up to excessive level about enter the idea you have here. Make them 10 prompts as well as make the prompts too short. Okay, after that, let's generate all the prompts. We need 10 up to 12 prompts to make the video long for 1 minute. And the second one is just going to the popular accounts in TikTok or YouTube and copying all the prompts they have. After that, let's go again to ChatGPT and let's ask ChatGPT to reword the prompts to have your unique prompts. Okay, now that we have the prompts we need, let's generate the images. For these, we can use Leonardo.ai or Canvas Magic Media because they are free to use. So for me, I will use Canva Magic Media. Now let's open Canva and let's choose mobile device. After that, go to your left and scroll down and you will find the Magic Media app. If not, click on the apps and scroll down. You will find the Magic Media there. After that, let's start pasting the prompts one by one and generate all the images we want. Now we have the prompts and images. Let's jump to creating them in Canva. Let's choose the background color like ChatGPT background. After that, go to frames, choose circle frame and put like these. Let's duplicate these and make it down again. Then get any image of you or anything to put it in the circle frame. After that, let's go to Chrome or any browser and ask for ChatGPT image. After that, click these tools, go for color, click transparent, save it to your device and upload it to Canva. I already do so just now. Drag the image of ChatGPT to lower circle frame. After that, enter text and write you because you are the one asking. Again, let's enter text below it. Just write anything for now. Okay, now let's duplicate the text written you and drag it up to the logo of ChatGPT and write ChatGPT and let's add a rectangular frame below the circles to the right direction. And now let's add a pencil image to it. Let's copy and paste the same page like 8 up to 10 times. Same with the prompt number you have. After doing that, let's paste the prompts in the text box we added before. Let's paste every image of prompts in the rectangular frame. So for these, I will do it fast. Okay, now let's make a transition slide for all the pages. So now we are done creating it. Okay, now to download what we created, just hit the split and click the download button as MP4 video. Okay, now let's be fast for the case of the video. After doing that, let's add background music. For background music, we will use trend music that all of these types of accounts are using. You can figure out how you can get the music from TikTok. After that, let's upload it to Canva and then drag it to the timeline. And boom, we have the video ready. So let's watch what we created.
As the manager of this channel, I am genuinely thrilled to see that you've watched our video until the very end. Your support means the world to us, and we're incredibly grateful for your time and engagement. Thank you so much.